Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn better English. To begin, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. This means actively seeking out English content every day. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, and read books or articles. Even just 15 minutes a day can make a significant difference. The more you hear and see English, the more naturally you'll start to understand its rhythm and common phrases. Next, actively practice speaking. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Find opportunities to converse with others, whether it's with native speakers, fellow learners, or even by talking to yourself. Consider joining online language exchange groups. Recording your voice can also help you pinpoint areas where your pronunciation or grammar needs a little extra attention. Building a strong foundation in grammar and vocabulary is crucial. Make it a habit to learn a few new words each day, perhaps 5 to 10. Understand how grammar rules work and then apply them in your speaking and writing. Tools like flashcards or language learning apps can be incredibly effective for memorizing new terms and reinforcing grammatical structures. Consistent effort here yields great results. Finally, consistency is key to long-term success. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day, even if it's just 20 minutes, to your English studies. Regularly review previously learned material to ensure it sticks. Set realistic goals, like mastering a new tense or learning 50 new words each week. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated on your journey to better English.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.